All right, ceramics class. I want to show you something that might help some of you who are trying to build your chess pieces, and that is the alignment tool, which is up here. If you've resized your objects or your shapes, you probably have some things that no matter what you do, uh, you can't seem to get them lined up just right. If you haven't noticed down here, you can change how objects snap to the grid. By default, it's 1 millimeter or one whole unit. But if you need more precise control than that, you can actually change the snap to half a millimeter, 0.25 millimeter, zero point 0.1, and this gives you a lot more control over how your things line up. Another thing that you have by default, I believe perspective is turned on, and that can make it kind of difficult because you have that sense of near and far, and if you did 1 point perspective with Miss Joyce in art class at the middle school, you know that things get smaller as they get further away, and it kind of, again, it makes things a little more difficult to line up. You can turn that off so that everything is what's known as orthographic view, and uh, and that's helpful too. But the last thing I want to show you is if you're having difficulty getting your things lined up properly, if you select all, and you can do that by clicking and dragging and selecting all of your shapes, and you come up here and collect and select align, these dots right here will move your objects so that they are perfectly stacked on top of one another. And that may be something that you find extremely helpful. So this being able to change your grid snap using this alignment tool and being able to turn perspective on and off may be just what you need to get your things lined up properly. Thanks for watching.